TFNN. Headline News Update.
Everyone, Basil Chapman sitting in for Tommy. Here's the noon update. Dow's down 240 points at 26,333. This is going to be very important because it's had three really ugly red candles. And if it closes towards the low of the day, over the weekend, there had better be some kind of good news, because that could be a very ugly Monday. If we close down, we're already down 251, close down around about 370 or more. Ooh, Monday could be very ugly unless they really flood us with some good news over the weekend. And that's starting to impact the weekly charts. Here's the daily. Look at the weekly, the big red candle here, one of the biggest red candles we've had in a while. So watch this closely. The S&P at this point is also down very sharply. The S&P is down 33 at 29.19. I would say the 29.10 to 29.03 area is going to be really important to hold. Otherwise, it could get very ugly, or uglier, I should say. QQQ, which is the NDX 100, broke key supports, filled some of the gap, and that is really a very sharp move down. 370 at 186. Its key support now is at about 179 to 182. That's going to be very important to hold. And in the IWM, also very weak. IWM is down 2.26 at 152. This is the Russell 2000, and its support in the 150.50 area is going to be key going into Monday. Now, gold has been the beneficiary of all this. It's up very sharply, up 27 at 14.59. If it breaks above 14.67 on the continuous contract between, let's just say into Sunday evening, gold could really have a much bigger move to the upside. Now it's got tremendous support in the 1420 to 1400 area, and the dollar has done all that it needed to do. It made that very strong leg to a new recovery high. It's trading down 22 pennies at 98.12, and it's really holding very nicely. But the weekly suggests maybe the dollar now can have a bit of a breather. So this is very important. And TLT, which is bonds, is screaming to the upside. Now it's up 62 cents at 135.88. There should be a lot of resistance in the 136 to 137 area, but even getting there is saying money is flowing into bonds to make yields even lower. That's all around the world. There's a competition for the lowest rates. Have a wonderful weekend. Stay tuned for Steve Rhodes, Dave White, and Tom O'Brien, and hope to see you next week.